So we're out here with my dog. Thought I'd take her with me while I go fly. I'm trying to fly a few packs today. I haven't flown since I had to put my dog down, so that's what I'm doing today. Got my baby with me. She's in the car. It's her first time ever seeing my drones fly, so I don't want to just let her run around. Let's go.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Plug in my goggles. I'm not using a dongle for some reason.
No.
Alright, let's get it.
All alone in the glass house, lie awake till the sun's out. Think sky when you come down. Empty in the driveway, caffeine for the heartache. Never wanna have it my way.
Yeah, I fuck up and lose control. Burn so many bridges, got nowhere to go. Bitches got these motives like Anna Nicole. I'm smoking cigarettes alone until it burn a hole in my lungs, in my soul, in my denim coat. Same place I'ma keep that knife if I'ma slit my throat. This shit ugly, I was just with Nipsey, now he ghost. They even got my homie Pete out here like fuck the jokes. Damn.
All alone in the glass house,
Just keep it going.
lie awake till the sun's out. Think sky when you come down.
Sometimes I wanna fucking scream or run away, I don't know. Ayy, life's been hard since 17. I've been through hell, I think I'm somewhere in between. Caught in purgatory, I can paint the scene. Everything turned to a nightmare from a dream. Look, wish Lil Peep and me had spoke, but I can't get that back. Just came from Pittsburgh, damn, I miss my homie Mac. Yeah. Last time I got off the stage, I looked Chester in the face, but now he gone and ain't no going back.
Why don't you throw me in the grave? Bury me in gold chains. Throw me in the grave.
I'm waiting on the rain to come and wash it all away.
Why don't you throw me in the grave? Bury me in gold chains. Throw me in the grave.
Lately I've been sick of living and nobody knows how I'm really feeling. I always hated to smile, but the key word is killing me hidden inside. I didn't sign up to be the hero, but I don't wanna wind up a villain. I put my daughter to bed, then attempted to kill myself in the kitchen. Yeah, I should've screamed, but nobody listened, so I passed out with the blood dripping in this glass house, feeling like a prison. Me and death keep tongue kissing. I just fell out with my little bro. The life getting to us, the drink getting to us, the drugs getting to us. It's highway to hell and everybody knew what the fuck are we doing. I'm feeling like,
Why don't you throw me in the grave? Bury me in gold chains. Throw me in the grave.
I'm waiting on the rain to come and wash it all away.
Why don't you throw me in the grave? Bury me in gold chains. Throw me in the grave. All alone in the glass house, lie awake till the sun's out. Think sky when you come down. Empty in the driveway, caffeine for the heartache. Never wanna have it my way.
That was fun. That was fun. I like that one. Those are the ones that make me so happy. Because I'm just doing what I want. Not about tricks. Just having a good time.
Telemetry lost.
And I'm out here with my family, having a good time. Come on, Moo. We're lucky. Look at how smooth this shit is. You enjoying this, kid? All the things that I didn't do with you and your sister when I was by myself flying. Now your mom wants to come and walk you too. It's awesome. You gotta look at the good things, because some things could be so hard to get through. And that's what we're doing. Just gotta smile and keeping on, keeping on. What'd you find? Did you find a log? She said, Mom, it had a smell.
Sounds like a train, huh?
She's like, a car! I know this one. Okay, go. Girl, oh wow. It came in and landed when we were getting in the car. Isn't that cool? I ain't never seen anything like that.
Bye.
It's crazy, huh? You look for those signs. They're around. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. God bless.